Please don't hurt the Ootheca. Hey friends, welcome back to the Renewed Homestead. I'm Ben, and that's an Ootheca. Yeah, I didn't know the name of that either. What is it, and why am I holding it? Well, let's step back a little bit. You know, we talked about not cutting everything down at the end of summer because, well, in particular, we were interested in protecting bugs such as the fireflies because they need tall grass to grow in and overwinter in. Well, you can see the stalks of old weeds over here, and you know, spring is nearly upon us. The hateful rose bush, Floribunda rose, is starting to come out. That's left tall, and this is all along our creek, one of the creeks here, and up there we've got a garden. So what are we talking about here? The Ootheca. That is a praying mantis egg case. And, you know, those guys like to eat bugs. Well, that little case there contains 300 to 400 baby praying mantises. You know, we're raising a whole army of them. Well, the other day I was down here at the creek. I had some cuttings that I was putting in the sand along the side just to see if they'll root. Well, I counted 8 of these things right here in this creek area. Along our food forest, I know there's 4 or 5 more that have been hung up in the trees. Praying mantises won't lay these in short weeds. They've got to be tall, up high on a stalk. And if I were to cut those weed stalks down, this would be laying on the ground, snow, rain, mud. They wouldn't survive. So imagine that, 300 to 400 of these, 300 to 400 babies times what, 15 egg cases that I've seen. And you know there's a whole lot more in there. There's a whole lot more rose bush up towards what we call the wild area up there. And you know, I mean, we're raising an army by not cutting stuff down. So we'll go along later, you know, in the spring and get some of this knocked down. But hey, that's just one more reason not to have a manicured landscape. And, you know, if these are laying on the ground and we don't spray, you know, or if we had sprayed, you know, laying on the ground, it would have, you know, certainly killed anything that did hatch. But so, you know, we don't spray. We try to do everything natural. Natural pest control right there. And if we cut them down or sprayed in the area, these guys would not be here. So, you know, be kind to the animals and the critters out here because, you know, they've got a job to do and they're helping you, believe it or not. Anyway, hope this was a blessing to you. Y'all have a great day. Keep those prayers up. We appreciate them. Take care. God bless everybody. Bye.
Make it so.